Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a small project share for you today. This is the Kscraft's mini album. This is like a punch bug Volkswagen mini album. So it looks like this. It comes with 2 layers, actually 3 layers for the vehicle, and then you know, the additional pieces to decorate your vehicle. So here we go. The reason I'm putting this one together, now I wanted to get this into a theme for Hello Kitty. So I think I need to cut this one out of foam. If I cut this out of foam, I already cut all the pieces so you could somewhat see what the vehicle looks like. I need to cut it out of foam, and because I want to put my characters in here. My Hello Kitty characters, if I could find it. There's a few. So just put behind. Like, isn't that cute? Wouldn't that be cute? You got Hello Kitty back there. And there's more. I have other pieces. I just can't find it right this minute. Not prepared. But let's see. Let's see. I think I have, oh no. I have a kitty, but she's in a cupcake. I don't want Hello Kitty, all just Hello Kitty. Anyway, I'll find my pieces, but I think that's what I want. I want to probably cut it out of foam. Oh, we'll see. So let's get layering these pieces. There's so many pieces. Let's put these away. I don't want any foam on the headlights. The bumper, I might want some foam, but let's start with the bumper. Let's get these little detailed pieces on. And it's a mini album, guys, but you can turn it into a box, of course. If you have the Kscraft's box making dies, you could do that. I'm going to add these little pieces on here. I think this is such a cute die set. Especially love the punch bug. When I was growing up, that's what we called it, punch bug. And if you saw one on the road, you get to punch whoever's next to you. Punch them in the arm. At least that's what I did. All right, there you go. And then the side mirrors can go over there. I'm going to add this little detail here. This one's hard. Really fine. Cut this one out of black glitter cardstock. But yeah. All right. My voice sounds different because I'm tired. I'm tired, Grandpa. So just lay it on there. Apologize if you can hear my children. Everybody's home. And they are loud. They're all on their games. Well, my 2 boys. They play video games. But yeah. All right. So we're going to let this one dry. I'm going to glue on my tires. These are your tires. Sorry, my hands are all, you know, covered in glue. You want to get the tires on there first. I am really messy with glue. Gets all over my fingers and on my project. That's what I hate. I don't want it on the project. I gotta go get some more cardstock, like solid color cardstocks from Hobby Lobby maybe. Just trying to make sure my pieces are lined up, touching. Press that on. All right, so this is where it gets tricky because this glitter does not like to stick with this glue. It does not. So, wish me luck. I had to use my 12 by 12 paper for this mirror cardstock. Because it's a big piece. I had the silver mirror cardstock in the paper pad that I was using, the micro paper pad. And what do you call that? It's not big enough. 6 by 6 is not big enough. So you get a really skinny line of red glitter all the way around. Let's hope it sticks. Always gives me a problem. All right. So we got that down. And the next piece is this one. It's going to go just like that. I like this die because it embosses where your headlights go. So you don't have to guess when you start piecing this thing together. I need new cutting plates because it's creasing my paper. All right. Okay. You see the embossing right there? Where the headlights go. So that goes on nice. There we go. All right. So that goes down. Okay. And the same, we got to put the headlights on. Whoa, whoops. This is cardstock from the paper pad. It's got the iridescent, silver iridescent color. Looks like a disco ball. Isn't that pretty? I hope I was in frame. But you know, you just layer the two circles together. There you go. There we go. Pretty good. I don't know. I don't know if I want to cut it out of foam. I don't know. I just don't know. This has to go down so we can put the rear view mirrors on. Oops, wrong side. It goes over here. Like that. So this is going to need foam because this thickness is 2 layers of cardstock. So let's see. I'm going to have to figure the mirrors out. Let's get the headlights on. And you know where it goes because it's right there, the embossed circle. And it fits. Perfect. Keeping him real flat. Okay. This one needs foam. Just on the circle part. So They do have the pieces for it, which is right here. Ouch. So I'm going to cut this out of some foam so I can put it behind here. I think I just need one layer of foam. That's all. Okay. And let me cut real quick. Or as quick as I can cut it. Okay, there you go. And now, just need to put that behind the mirror. I have no fingernails. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. It'll be just like that. Then this one, I'm just putting it on the oval and then laying that on. Make sure it's lined up. It's always going to wiggle on that foam until the glue sets up. Golly. Okay. And then that goes there. Look at that. I have to cut this out of foam. Darn it. I think this is the steering wheel. I don't know. I have no clue. Should be the steering wheel. Let me see. I'm looking on Kscraft's Instagram. Nobody has a steering wheel in their car. That's too funny. What are these? What are these? Anyway, let's get this done. No foam. You know why? If I add foam to this, oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know why. I'm just being lazy. Like I said, I'm tired. I've been filming multiple videos and I am tired. All right, let's get this up here. This lines all the way up at the top. There we go. Had a busy day today. Today's Friday. I suppose it's snowstorm coming through Colorado Springs. Supposed to get several inches of snow. Okay, we're gonna add this. And then we're gonna add the mirror. Leave it. It's wanting to slide around on that foil, the reflective paper. And just leave it alone. Get it in place. And let it be. Let it be. Let it be. And again, I'm not going to use any foam. No foam. This is a very flat project now. Okay. You guys can also cut out the very base layer on this car and turn it into a card. A car card. This would be cute for people with first time vehicles, right? First time car. That would be cute. There we go. Oh my God, this card is cute. Okay, so there we go. I don't know where my characters are that I cut out. We could figure that out later. That's what our little love bug, look at it. So cute. Before I go, I just want to update on this little rainbow die set from Kscraft. This is the January release. I added the Hello Kitty to this one. I didn't put a sentiment. And then this one, I added my melody, and I put love you so much because she has a little birdie with her. And then I added some of the hearts again from the same shaker mix that I got from Gina. Added one here, looks like she's holding it, and then one here and one here. And that will be, oh, and the love you so much is from the heart hand die, the bag topper. I just used the largest set, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh my God, you guys, it's so cute. So now I'm gonna have to cut this out again and add it to this side of the rainbow. And I think those are gonna be so adorable. Can you imagine with these characters behind the wheel? Oh my God, that would be so cute. So again, we're gonna finish off with not finishing a project. Oh my God, so sorry guys. But this is what it looks like, and I think it would be so adorable for a card or even the mini album as it was suggested. And yeah, or even a box. That would be cute too. So guys, I'll try to leave the link in the description box below. I've tried putting links, and I don't know, for some reason my links are not working. And so yeah, I don't know. I touched this one, so leave it alone. Don't touch it. Let it dry. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up for me. That helps my little channel. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and join our crafty family and hit the subscribe button right there. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I do a live. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.